Pfizer has been accused by the UK's pharmaceutical watchdog of bringing discredit on the industry after senior executives used social media to promote an unlicensed COVID vaccine. The company has been found to have breached the regulatory code 5 times, which also includes making misleading claims, failing to maintain high standards, and promoting unlicensed medicines. A ruling by the pharmaceutical watchdog, the Prescription Medicines Code of Practice Authority, or the PMCPA, relates to a complaint about a message posted on Twitter in November of 2020 by senior Pfizer employees. The complaint raised concern about Pfizer's, quote, misuse of social media to misleadingly and illegally promote their COVID vaccine. That's according to this ruling from this body, this Prescription Medicines Code of Practice Authority over in the UK. They claim that such misbehavior, I like how they put the extra U at the end, this misbehavior on social media was even more widespread than they had thought and extended right to the top of their UK operation. The complaint centered on a social media post on Twitter by Dr. Berkeley Phillips, the medical director of Pfizer UK. He shared a post from an employee of Pfizer in the United States. And what did it say? It said, our vaccine candidate is 95% effective in preventing COVID-19. Not treating it, preventing it. And it's 94% effective in people over 65 years old. We will file all our data with the health authorities within days. Thank you to every volunteer in our trial and to all who are tirelessly fighting a pandemic. Well, that's what they found to be complete bullshit, and that's what's been repeated and thrown back in my face. 4 other Pfizer employees, including one senior colleague, published the same message. The PMCPA ruling noted that this message contained limited information about the vaccine's efficacy, no safety information, and no reference to adverse events. It went on to say that the social media post resulted in an unlicensed medicine being proactively disseminated on Twitter to health professions and members of the public in the UK. Let's remember that was an emergency use authorization. A Pfizer UK spokesman said that the company fully recognizes and accepts the issues highlighted by the PMCPA, and it's deeply sorry. Oh,
sorry, Jimmy.
They're deeply. Oh, did we mislead you? We're so, my gosh, golly gee willikers. We'll never do that again. They said Pfizer UK has a comprehensive policy on personal use of social media in relation to Pfizer's business, which prohibits colleagues from interacting with any social media related to Pfizer's medicines and vaccines, backed by staff briefings and training. Well, I get they don't do a good job on those staffings and trainings, or they all just forgot about it. The personal use of social media by UK pharmaceutical industry employees in relation to company business is a challenging area for pharmaceutical companies in which we continue to take all of the appropriate steps, oh my God, that are reasonably expected. No, you're not. As part of their response to the ruling, Pfizer said it had launched a review into its employees' use of social media and to ensure compliance. Okay. It is the 6th time that Pfizer has been reprimanded by the regulator over its promotion of COVID-19 vaccine. The 6th.
But Jimmy,
ahead,
they're
doctor.
sorry. They're sorry. They keep doing, but they're sorry. This time they're sorry. Here's the thing, Jimmy. I'm going to try to play comedian here for a second, but I'm picturing, me being like a high-level Pfizer employee. I literally, that tweet that they got in trouble for, that's literally a PR release, right? That's literally public relations promotion of the vaccines. And let's say I did it on my social media, and their compliance officer comes into my office the next day and says, Mr. Corey, you really can't be doing that on social media. You're in violation of our internal code of conduct. You can't promote unlicensed products, and if you do it again, you're going to be in trouble. And then he leaves. And what's on my desk? Like a fat envelope of cash? Is that how it works?
Please stop doing this. Here's some more money.
Exactly.
I hate that you're doing